Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we shall learn about the physical features of the South America. But first, let's revise the political feature of the South America, which we have already done in the previous video. As we know that South American continent consists of the 14 countries, in which 12 are the independent nations and 2 are the overseas territory of France and the UK. And this table shows the countries and their capital. As I said earlier that South America is the 4th largest continent in terms of size and 5th in terms of the population. It has diverse physical features which are classified into 4. That is Andes Mountains, Eastern Highlands, Central Lowlands and the coastal plains. We will see the mountains and the coastal plains generally runs in a north to south direction, while the highlands and the rivers basin generally runs in an east and west direction. One of the continent's river basin is defined by dense tropical rainforest, which is the Amazon River Basin, and its tropical forest called as the selvas, while the other, that is Parana, is made up of the vast grassland. Other grassland includes grasslands, etc. It is the home to the world's largest river, that is Amazon, as well as the world's driest place, that is Atacama Desert, which is South America is the home to the world's driest place, which is known as the Atacama Deserts. It is found in Chile. It is the world's driest desert. So let's discuss about the Andes Mountain. Andes Mountains are also known as the Western Cordilleras. They are the longest and the second largest mountain ranges in the world. The highest active volcano in the world, that is Ojos del Salado, which stands at 6,900 meters, is found here. Andes are the longest mountain range in the world outside Asia, and it extended from north to south through 7 South American continents. They are Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Chile, Peru, and Argentina. Andes are the world's highest mountain range outside of Asia, as I said earlier, and its average height of Andes Mountain is 4,000 meters. These young fold mountains run parallel to the western coastline, rising sharply from the Pacific coast but sloping towards the east. The folded mountains of the Andes contain many volcanoes as this is the part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. And the Mount Chimborazo and Mount Cotopaxi are among them. On the border of Peru and Bolivia is located the highest lake in the world, is Lake Titicaca, as this image shown. The highest mountain peak of Andes is the Aconcagua, which is 8,690 meters, and it is also the extinct volcano. Now the Eastern Highlands. In the Eastern Highlands, we will discuss about the 3 main plateau plains, that is Guyana, Brazilian and the Patagonian Plateau. Firstly, the Guyana Highlands or the Plateau of Guyana. It is situated to the north of Amazon River or in the east of the Llanos. Llanos are the tropical grassland of the Venezuela. These highlands are lower than the Brazilian highlands, or we can say that their height is comparatively lower than the Brazilian highlands and Andes. But the world's highest waterfall, that is Angel Waterfall is situated in this region and its height is approximately 979 meter. It is the world highest waterfall. And the Plateau of Guyana in the north act as the divider between the Amazon and the Orinoco basin. And Orinoco rises in these islands. Next is Brazilian Islands. Brazilian Islands. They are higher than the Guyana Islands. Brazil Islands increase towards the sea, and near the sea it drops suddenly, or we can say abrupt fall. The plateau of Brazil in the central part of the continent is biggest among the three plateau plains, and the Parana and the Paraguay river rises in this region. Now let's see the similarity between these two islands, that is Guyana and the Brazilian Islands. So both the islands are the oldest island and they are made up from the igneous rocks or the deposits of sandstone, etc. Both Guyana Islands and the Brazilian Islands are the dissected hills. And what are the dissected hills? Dissected hills are formed due to dissection or the erosion by the tributaries of Orinoco River. And here we can find out the different types of stones and soils in this region. Now the Patagonian Plateau. It is situated in the south of the South American continent. Patagonian Plateau is a vast dry desert and it does not get rain, and it has gentle slope toward the Atlantic Ocean. So in the eastern islands we have studied the three types of plains. Patagonian Plateau, which is situated in the south of South America and it is the driest place. Another one is Brazilian Islands, which is the higher among them, and the Parana and the Paraguay river rises in this region. Next is the Guyana Islands or Plateau of Guyana. It is situated in the north of Amazon River and the east of the Llanos. Llanos are the tropical grassland of the Venezuela. And here we can find out the highest waterfall. Despite that its region is very low as compared to Brazilian Islands. Here we can find out the world highest waterfall. And eastern islands are made up of very old rocks and form an undulating surface with gentle slopes. They are older than the Andes. The central lowlands. It lies between the Andes and the eastern highlands. What are the eastern islands? Eastern islands are the Guyana Islands, Brazilian Island and the Patagonian Plateau. In between them we found the central lowlands, and it covers more than half of the total area of the continent. These plains consist of the three river basins: Llanos Basin, La Plata Basin and the Selvas Basin. So let us start it. The Llanos Basin. It is created by the river Orinoco and its tributaries. Angel Falls, at the height of 979 meters, the highest waterfall in the world, is located on the Orinoco River. Another river basin is the Selvas Basin. It is formed by the Amazon River, which is the longest river and the second largest river in the world after the Nile. And the Nile River is found in the African continent. It carries the maximum volume of water in the world. The basin is very extensive and is covered with dense forest. And these forests we have known as the selvas. Another river basin is La Plata. It is created by the Parana, Paraguay and other rivers like the Uruguay. This basin forms an estuary known as the Rio de la Plata, and it serves as an excellent harbor. Now the coastal plains. The western coastal belt is narrow strip of land that is lie between the Pacific Ocean and the Andes mountain ranges. Atacama deserts, the world's driest desert, is found here. So here we come to the end of this lecture. We have studied the physical features of the South America. In the previous video, we have studied about the political feature of the South America. And in this video, we have studied the physical features, which are Andes Mountain, Eastern Highland, Central Lowlands and the coastal plains. South America. Mountains and the coastal plains generally run in the north to south direction, while the river and the grassland runs in the east to west direction. In this, we have studied Andes Mountains, Mount Aconcagua, Mount Chimborazo, Mount Cotopaxi. These are the most important mountains, so remember it. And we have also studied the Lake Titicaca, which is the highest lake in the world. It is situated near the border of Peru and Bolivia. Here is the picture. Then we have studied the Eastern Highlands. They are older than the Andes and they are made up of very old rock or igneous rock. We have studied three main plateaus: Plateau of Guyana, Brazil and Patagonian. Brazilian islands are the larger islands among the, and Angel Waterfall is located in the Guyana Islands, and the Patagonia Plateau is situated in the south, and it is a vast dry desert and it does not get any rains. Then we have studied about the Central Lowlands. They lie between the Andes Mountains and the Eastern Islands. And these plains consist of three river basin: Llanos Basin, Selvas Basin and the La Plata Basin. So here we can end this video. Hope you like it. Do rate, review and recommend, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.